Welcome to the OmniWave Fintech product demo. Version 8.5.27. Introducing the next generation in AI-powered WealthTech. Powered by real-time social sentiment analysis and advanced predictive algorithms. There are three main steps to the OmniWave technology. 1. Data is collected from the web. 2. The system filters and decodes the data. 3. Trades are executed automatically. Step 1. Web crawling for financial sentiment analysis. The process starts with the engine receiving requests to gather data. It organizes and schedules these requests, sending them to the downloader to fetch the relevant pages. Once the pages are retrieved, the spider analyzes the content, like extracting useful information or analyzing sentiment. The processed data is then saved, and new requests are created to gather more information. This cycle continues until all the necessary data is collected. Step 2. Data processing and analysis. The collected data from Stage 1 is cleaned, filtered, and analyzed using AI-powered natural language processing algorithms and sentiment analysis models. This AI-driven step categorizes the emotional tone, positive, negative, neutral, and measures sentiment intensity. It also incorporates AI-based time series analysis to track sentiment shifts over time, identifying emerging patterns and trends. Here is an example of real-time sentiment analysis for Euro to US dollar based on news, social media, and financial discussions. The columns indicate sentiment, positive, negative, or neutral, intensity, and compound score, overall emotional tone, ranging from -1 to +1. AI-driven models enhance this analysis by refining sentiment scores, detecting nuances such as sarcasm or subtle tone shifts, and improving accuracy over time through machine learning. Step 3. From insight to action. After the sentiment data is scraped and analyzed, AI algorithms leverage this insight to make market predictions. By combining sentiment scores with historical market data and advanced machine learning models, the system forecasts potential price movements, identifying trends and opportunities. These predictions are then used to guide automated trading decisions, enabling real-time, data-driven market actions. Let's take a look at these sell positions that were executed on the euro versus the US dollar at the end of January this year. The overall sentiment was down for this currency, and this is why the system sold at local tops, with dynamic profit taking based on the volatility of the market. As you can see if we zoom in, the local tops are sold with top precision, and the trades are exited in time, locking in the profits. The system then waits for the next local top to sell again. On the flip side, the sentiment shifted to more positive for the euro versus dollar, and our system caught those local bottoms in order to open buy positions. The profit is locked in with an aggressive trailing stop, just like with the sell positions. To conclude, our system is made of a complex set of codes and AI-powered algorithms that seamlessly integrate data collection, sentiment analysis, and market prediction. This powerful combination allows for fully automated, real-time trading decisions, continuously adapting to market changes with minimal human intervention. The result is an efficient, scalable, and highly effective system designed to capitalize on emerging opportunities with precision and speed. And what will the end user see? Transactions taking place, with no intervention required, autonomously and seamlessly.